Hello, this recording is going to show you how to set your time zone. First, you'll want to log in as a learning coach or parent. Once you've done that, you may see a pop-up come up at the top of the screen, which will allow you to automatically set your time zones. That's usually when you're first setting up your account, you'll see that. You'll be able to click right on it and it'll take you into the time zone settings. If you haven't done that or you X'd out of it, you can simply go up to your name in the upper right hand corner, click, and go down to time zone settings. Once the time zone settings loads, you'll be able to find all of the different time zones here. You'll click on the drop down menu and scroll down to Pacific Time. Then you'll want to click on the check mark and apply to all students. If it's already check marked, then go ahead and unclick it and click it again. Then you'll want to double check to make sure the current date and time is set for the California correct time when you are setting up your time zone. Then you'll click Save. You'll then want to log out, have your student log into their account. You'll click on Classes and have your student go to any of their courses. Anyone will do. Then you'll find your name or your student's name in the upper right hand corner and you'll scroll down to Account Settings. Next, you'll scroll down and find where it says Time Zone. You'll then want to click on the drop-down menu and find where it says United States, Los Angeles. Sometimes you'll see Pacific Zone or sometimes you'll see Los Angeles. So as long as it's anywhere in our California time zone for our Insight courses, then you'll click on Save and Close. If your computer is not set up to the correct time zone that you are in, you'll want to make sure that you click on the link in the K12.com support and find the time zone setting video, which will cover going over how to set your computer time zone correctly, and there are directions there for both a Windows or a Mac computer. Thank you.